Don't talk much, do you?
So who's Lurch?
No idea. We're not even sure he speaks English.
Witnesses say you were fighting with a man on the bridge.
Agents, listen to me. My name is O'Brien.
Hell no.
Hey, I've been working this case for 33 years.
What do you want? A medal?
Hey! Sit down! Hey! Hey!
Oh, shit.
He's looking right at you.
It's impossible. You can't see through.
Wait! Find him. Go!
That's yours too, I believe. Nice to see you.
Pops. Load up.
Liquefied magnetic shotgun shells. Magnetic rifle entry munition. I read about this on gunsandammo.com. That's the new breacher. Big blast, no shrapnel. Blows the door clean off. You know, for people who can't do that themselves.
Take it, let's go.
You can fly, right?
Yeah. John taught me.
I'll tell him you took the car. Headed south.
Thank you.
Run away.
Hang on!
Head to the Bay Bridge, then southeast.
You gotta get him off me!
The manufacturing and research buildings are all below ground.
He's getting at us!
All right, Sarah, I need you to back him up so I can get above him. Pops, when I do that, can you take him out?
I can.
Okay, hold on!
I'll be back.
What?
Call in, police, fire, everybody, do it!
Come on. Pick up the phone, damn it. Mr. Connor?
Sorry, Doug, but I'm afraid I can't have any witnesses.
Security control. State your password in emergency.
Security code Zulu Bravo Foxtrot 0028. False alarm. You have a nice night.
He's okay. Maybe at the bottom of the lake, but he's okay.